To reduce product development effort and shorten time to market, more and more engineering departments want their personnel to work concurrently as a team on product design projects. Unfortunately, engineering teams tackling this challenge without the right tools can inadvertently make expensive mistakes. Let's take a look at how SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional can help engineering teams work together more efficiently. Here's an example of a SOLIDWORKS assembly you are working on with some team members. Notice the Write tab and the easy access to all your PDM functionality. The first and most basic feature of PDM that enables safe, multi-user collaboration is the ability to check in or check out the files being worked on. This ensures that only one person at a time has write permissions or design authority to a document at a time. To take design control of a component in this assembly, you simply select the component, select a checkout icon, and click Checkout. By doing this, you're ensuring that you are the only member of the team who can change this file until you check it back in and relinquish control. Also notice the assembly tree in the PDM tab. You can easily see which parts are being checked out and being modified by your coworkers. Even if you were to accidentally try and change one of those components, the system would prevent you from doing it. Another powerful feature that enables concurrent engineering is your immediate notification by the system if a coworker has made a change that affects what you are working on. These notifications are presented right in the system, as you can see here. If you don't happen to be working in the CAD system at the time of the change, you can get a message letting you know that changes have been made that affect you. As you can see, SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional gives engineering teams invaluable tools for working collaboratively.